Hello my dear students. In the probability part 5 we will see about the independent event and the dependent event. Okay. First we will see the independent event. What is independent event? Independent events, if the occurrence of an event is completely unaffected by the occurrence of any other event, such events are known as independent event. Okay. Suppose if you take box, this box is filled with red, blue, green. Okay. If I take a red color from this one, if I take a red color, what will be the probability? 1 out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will be 9. It will be 9. Now what I am doing? I am keeping this red back in this one again, putting the back again and taking the blue. Okay. What will be the probability? 1 out of 9. Again I am putting this back, taking the green color. What will be the probability? 1 out of 9. Again if I am keeping this one and taking one more color. See, replacing, it is replaced. Taking one, after getting the probability we are putting it back again. After that we are taking another one and putting back again. Replacing of the colors, replacing of the color is called as independent events. It is called as independent event. Okay. Now one more example. With this example we will see one more. See, here I have taken here pink color, red color and blue color. Pink, red and blue. If I am taking the red color, what will be the probability? 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total it is how much? 6. Total it is 6. If I am taking red, 1 out of 6. Putting the red, taking the blue. 1 out of 6. Putting the blue, taking the pink. 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6. This type of event is called as independent event. Replacing it. Okay. So, independent events, if the occurrence of an event is completely unaffected, which will not affect, okay, by the occurrence of another event. If you take the another event, it should not affect to that event. Such event are known as an independent event. The such event is known as independent event. Understood? Now, one more we will see example for this one. Here 3, 2, 5. Okay. We will take the dice. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. If I am taking 1 from this one, 1 out of 6. Again putting back 1 in this, taking 2. Then it will be 1 out of 6. Again putting 2 back, taking 3. 1 out of 6. Putting 3, taking 4. 1 out of 6. Like that 5, 1 out of 6. Replace 1 out of 6. This type of event is called as independent event. This type of event is called as independent event. Now we will see the dependent event. Dependent event. What is dependent event? Opposite to that one. If the occurrence of an event is completely affected by the occurrence of any another event, such event are known as dependent event. Example, if I take a box, in this one same as it is red, blue, green and green color. Now if I am taking the red color, it will be 1 out of 9. Okay. Now I am not putting, I am keeping the red here only. I am not replacing the red here. Again I am taking blue. What it will be? 1 out of 8. If I am taking again green, it will be 1 out of 7. 1 out of 7. I am keeping here only. I am not putting back again in this one. Okay. So this type of event is called as dependent event. One more example we will see. Okay. Now if I am taking here, okay, we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If I am taking 1 from this one, so 1 out of 6 deleted. Next I am taking 2, 1 out of 5 deleted. Next 1 out of 4 deleted. Next 1 out of 3. Next 1 out of 2. Next 1 out of 1. There will be no replace in this one. If you are taking, you will not replace in that one. Okay, it will be like that only. So this type of event is called as dependent event. What is dependent event? If the occurrence of an event is completely affected by the occurrence of any other event, such event is known as dependent event. What is independent? In that one, little bit changes will be there. Unaffected, in this one affected. In independent, unaffected. In this one, affected. Okay. And in independent it will be replaced, but in this one it will not be replaced. It will be not replaced. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Please like my videos and share the videos, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.